Every consumer knows the feeling. I just purchased that, so why am I still seeing ads for it? On the other side of the fence, the campaign manager has a similar feeling. I'm spending plenty on advertising, so where are all the conversions? In situations like these, ad suppression can help a lot. The concept is pretty straightforward. Instead of building a target audience of just those who should see an advertisement, also make sure to exclude those who shouldn't see the ad. In this example, we're going to exclude recent purchasers, and we'll do it in just 5 steps. Here's what you'll need. First, the right customer data. Second, your treasure data CDP, which unifies that data into customer profiles, making it easy for campaign managers to build audiences with suppression incorporated into them. And finally, an advertising platform of your choice. Here's how. The first step is to collect the right data. When it comes to collecting data, the pre-built integrations in the Treasure Data Integrations catalog can help you do this quickly. For our use case, don't forget to collect transactional data, which we'll use to identify the recent purchasers. The next step is to configure the activation with your downstream advertising platform. The pre-built integrations in the catalog work both ways. They can be used to both import and export customer data. So find your advertising platform in the catalog and then follow the steps to configure it. The third step is to create the audience. The easiest way to do this is with Audience Studio, which provides a user-friendly drag-and-drop interface for building segments of customers. For this segment, make sure to exclude recent purchasers, as this is how you'll incorporate suppression into your campaign. The fourth step is to activate the audience. While you've got your segment open in Audience Studio, put it to work by configuring the activation that you previously created. When you click Run, Treasure Data will send your segment downstream. The last step is to launch the campaign. How you do this varies by advertising platform, and you're probably already familiar with the process. This time, though, you can rest easy knowing that your precious ad dollars aren't being wasted on reach that will never convert. That's it. In just 5 steps, you can use your valuable customer data to incorporate ad suppression into your advertising campaigns. This way, everyone's happy. Your customers don't see irrelevant ads, and you optimize your ad spend. All you need is the right customer data, an advertising platform, and your Treasure Data CDP.